It's 5:08 p.m. and we have a tornado warning for parts of northwestern Washington and southern Choctaw counties in southwest Alabama. Possible tornado coming in from Wayne County, Mississippi. This is a quick-hitting, brief tornado most likely, and this is moving toward Milry. If you're near Milry, Alabama, you need to go ahead and get in that tornado safe place now, as we have a possible tornado coming in from the southwest. So again, a tornado warning just now coming on the board for parts of Washington County in Alabama. Thanks so much for all of you who are tuning in via Facebook, or excuse me, via Twitter and YouTube. We appreciate you watching. And again, this possible tornado is currently back in Mississippi, and it's moving to the northwest. And so this is a possible tornado about to cross the state line. This is going to be a quick warning, won't last very long, but nonetheless, got a tornado warning. And we are getting set to go live on Facebook as well. And so for those of you that are watching via YouTube and Twitter or X, thanks so much. Live coverage over on Facebook starts right now.
Live from Red Zone Weather in Bruton, Alabama, with meteorologist Spinks Meganson. Severe weather coverage starts right now.
Memorial Day 2025, and we have a possible tornado coming into West Alabama from Wayne County, Mississippi. Possible tornado now just to the southwest of Waynesboro, about to come up on Milry, Alabama. This is a quick-hitting storm that's going to briefly, most likely, produce a tornado back here in West Alabama near U.S. Highway 45. No travel right now on 45 from Waynesboro back down to State Line, Mississippi. Possible tornado in through here, about to cross the state line into Washington County, Alabama. That's why we're coming on the air. This is not going to be a warning that lasts very long, as this is a quick-hitting storm, most likely, that will not be affecting Washington County for very long. We also have a separate tornado warning for Choctaw County up here near Butler, Alabama. If you're in Choctaw County, Alabama, tornado warning for you. We've also got severe thunderstorm warnings in progress for Marengo, Wilcox, and Sumter counties back here in West Alabama as well. This whole batch of storms is going to continue moving to the east, and we could have some heavy rain at times over the next several hours. I don't expect many, if any, more tornado warnings, but the first thing we need to do is tell you exactly who's involved in this brand new tornado warning that's in effect for West Alabama. And so tell you what, let's zoom in and tell you who's involved. First thing to know is that this is northern Washington County. So northern Washington County, Milry is involved. If you're in Milry, you need to take shelter now, as we have a possible tornado coming in from the southwest. Same thing in Silas, same thing in Toxey and Cullenberg. You're involved in this new tornado warning that's valid until 5:30 p.m. Again, don't think this lasts very long. This is going to be a quick-hitting storm, most likely, that probably has a cancellation on it very soon. We do have some non-severe storms right now over in Clark County and Conecuh County, but those are under severe limits at this time. And I actually believe that the Weather Service may have just canceled, they just canceled the warning. So just like that, poof, it's gone. So that is a good thing, but let's hang out for a little bit to make sure that we don't get any more warnings. Again, we just had a very quick tornado warning for Washington and Choctaw counties over in West Alabama. That is now gone. So again, tornado all clear. It was issued 5 minutes later, it's gone. That's the way it goes. This was your formerly tornado warned storm back in West Alabama. And let me be clear, I know that we got a lot of folks on vacation. It's Memorial Day. But most of us are fine, all right? The storms are back here in West Alabama, and what I want to do is take you through a few of the storms that we got going on right now, because most of us tonight are going to be in good shape. We're not going to have severe weather in most locations, and again, maybe one or two more warnings before the night is over, but even that is kind of a stretch at this point. Let me get myself situated. I was actually kind of enjoying the Memorial Day holiday myself, and duty calls, right? So we now have an active tornado warning, or excuse me, we just did. It has now finished for parts of Washington County, and that is now off of the board. And what's left is a few severe thunderstorm warnings over in West Alabama, specifically in parts of Choctaw and Marengo counties. Loud and proud thunderstorms coming into Thomasville, Alabama over the next few minutes. Again, the tornado warning is done, so all clear from the tornado threat over in West Alabama. This line of storms is pushing in from the west, and as it does so, you're going to have heavy rain over the next few minutes in places like Sweetwater, Aimwell, Dixon's Mills, Thomasville. You've also got areas out near Bashai and Campbell involved in a severe thunderstorm warning. And again, that's far northern Clark County involved in that severe thunderstorm warning. Let me be clear though, for those of you that just may be tuning in as of 5:14 p.m., the tornado warning that was in effect for a brief spin-up tornado in Washington County has been canceled, all right? So no more tornado warning, all clear from the imminent tornado threat. I'll show you what triggered us to come on the air, and it was that. You see that red polygon that was in effect, and again, it is gone at this point. And so there is no more active tornado warning for any part of West Alabama as of 5:15 p.m. or 5:14, excuse me. I see that we've got a new severe thunderstorm warning that has just been issued. This is a new severe thunderstorm warning that's just coming on the board. This is going to be for parts of Clark and Monroe counties here. And this is going to include Grove Hill, Watley, also areas near Suggsville, Packers Bend, Monroe Intermediate School, Finchburg, Franklin, and Veredenburg involved in that new severe thunderstorm warning. So here's the deal. Over the next few hours, we're going to continue to have intermittent thunderstorms as this band of storms coming in from Mississippi continues to push from west to east across our region. I would be surprised if we had any more tornado warnings. This is not a tornado day. This is going to be a day where we have damaging wind gusts in the stronger storms most likely, but it's not really a big bad tornado threat day, and so that's good news. And if you're down around the coast, by the way, there's a high probability that you don't even have any rain tonight. So you're in good shape if you're down around the coast, but specifically farther inland, we could have a few storms over the next several hours, and some of those may briefly become severe. So again, what we're going to do, because we don't have any more tornado warnings, we're going to go back to covering storms in the Red Zone Weather app, and of course, we'll be here throughout the night just in case we have a few more tornado warnings. But again, we had a tornado warning back in West Alabama, specifically for northwestern Washington County. That has been canceled, all right? So all clear from the imminent tornado threat in Washington County and in Choctaw County, by the way. All clear from the tornado threat. Large hail and gusty winds going to continue to be the main concerns over the next few hours. I'll have plenty of updates posted in the Red Zone Weather app over the next few hours, and I do hope you have a nice Memorial Day Monday.
Be sure to find us across social media, and don't forget to download the free Red Zone Weather app and set up your customized alerts. Please support our Red Zone Weather sponsors who make our coverage possible every single day.